This video demonstrates the basics of oil maintenance for DBS drive units with a main gear bearing. In this video, we'll cover the importance of proper oil level, how to check the oil level and read the dipstick, oil maintenance, breather cap function on S-series drive units, and moisture control cap benefits. This video accompanies the operation and maintenance manual. For detailed information, please refer to the manual provided by DBS with the drive unit. Most DBS drive units use a gear bearing, which serves as the final reduction stage and supports the weight of the rakes and external forces. There will be an internal gear bearing or an external gear bearing. Inside the gear bearing, there are metal bearing balls and spacers, which allow it to rotate freely. The main gear bearing is oil lubricated. It ships with only residual oil from factory testing. Installation contractors must add oil to the unit as part of installation. Running the unit without the proper oil level can cause damage. In most drive units, this is the only oil that the installation contractors need to fill. DBS recommends gear EP oil ISO 150 to 680 depending on temperature and rotating speed. See the recommended lubricants page in the Operation and Maintenance Manual to determine the necessary oil. Maintaining the proper oil level within the drive unit is extremely important. Incorrect oil levels can lead to leaks or damage. The oil level should be about 0.75 inches below the top of the gear teeth at maximum, with a 0.75 inch range between maximum and minimum on the dipstick. The oil must be around 0.75 inches below the top gear teeth at maximum to allow for condensate accumulation and leveling imperfections. Proper oil level is important for proper function of the drive unit. The oil serves to lubricate the bearing balls and gear faces. If the oil level is too high, oil may leak out of the unit. If the oil level is too low, damage may occur to internal parts of the unit due to friction from inadequate lubrication. To check and maintain oil level, each DBS drive unit comes with a dipstick. To check oil level with the dipstick, remove the PVC filler and inspection cap. Remove the dipstick and wipe away the oil. Reinsert the dipstick into the unit until it hits the bottom. Remove the dipstick and inspect the oil level. The oil should be within the crosshatched area, between the minimum and maximum lines. DBS recommends that customers check the oil level at least once a week on new installations and no less than once a month thereafter. Oil should be sampled annually on S-series drive units and biannually on D-series drive units. Oil should be changed on the same schedule or as determined by oil sample results. The recommended oil maintenance schedule for your specific drive unit is in the Lubrication and Maintenance Schedule section in the Operation and Maintenance Manual. On S-series drive units, oil may also leak because of pressure buildup inside the unit. All S-series drive units are equipped with a breather cap, which releases pressure from the drive unit. The D-series design does not require a breather cap. When the cap is closed or clogged on an S-series drive unit, the warm air cannot escape the unit. The pressure inside the unit builds and causes oil to leak over the oil dam. Keep the breather cap open to prevent leaks. In drive units with a breather cap or regular inspection cap, water from the oil cannot escape and accumulates in the oil well. As the drive unit operates, humid air arises from the oil. The water condenses on the interior of the inspection cap and drips back into the oil where it accumulates at the bottom. Some condensate is fine due to the DBS design. However, too much condensate can cause the oil level to rise above the maximum and lead to leaks or improper lubrication. Additionally, if the oil level was too high to begin with, a small amount of condensate accumulation can cause the oil to leak. Condensate can be removed through the drain on the drive unit. Check the lubrication drawing in the Operation and Maintenance Manual to find the location of the drain on your drive unit. Crack open the drain slightly. The water will drip from the unit first. Stop when the oil begins to drain. DBS also offers a moisture control cap, the MCC, as an alternative to the breather cap and standard inspection cap. This cap allows condensate to escape the drive unit. This increases oil life and decreases maintenance of the drive unit. This cap is available for both D-Series and S-Series drive units. When the humid air condenses on the cap, the water drips down the sides onto the top of the drive unit instead of back into the oil. The moisture control cap also allows for pressure release on S-Series drive units. Remember to adhere to the lubrication specifications and maintenance schedule detailed within the Operation and Maintenance Manual provided with your drive unit. Failure to do so can result in damage. Contact DBS with any questions or concerns.